And likewise, when you find this hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, وَآكُلُ اللَّحْمَ, and I eat meat. Then you have those who say, khalas, I'm never going to eat meat again. It's too extravagant, it's too ostentatious. Or those who say, no, I'm not going to eat meat because it harms animals. And this is foolishness. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have created the animals subservient to the humans, and that you slaughter them and you eat them and you sacrifice them on Yawmul Adha, and then you feed yourself and you feed your neighbors, you feed your family, and you feed the poor with it. And they say, no, this is cruelty to animals. Any Muslim who talks like that is ignorant, misguided, deviated. Others who say, well, I'm not going to even have honey because this is stealing the food and stealing the product from the bees, and we have no right to touch what they make. This is jahl and ignorance and deviation and misguidance. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned this honey that is in the bellies of the bees in the Quran. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not forbid you from that which is halal and that which is tayyib, but Allah forbids you from exaggeration and from going overboard.